Why looking poor is important. In a world where appearances often dictate perceptions, the idea of looking poor might seem counterintuitive. However, there's a fascinating layer to this topic that deserves our attention. Today, we are diving into the positive aspects of embracing a less polished appearance and how it can actually benefit us in unexpected ways. First, let's consider the societal perceptions that come with looking poor. Many people assume that those who appear less affluent are more relatable, approachable, and genuine. This can foster deeper connections and open up conversations that might not happen otherwise. Additionally, looking poor can serve as a shield, allowing individuals to avoid the pressures of consumerism and societal expectations. But it's not just about how others see us, it's also about how we see ourselves. Embracing a simpler lifestyle can lead to greater authenticity and self-acceptance. So stick around as we explore how looking poor can challenge societal norms, enhance personal growth, and ultimately lead to a more fulfilling life. You might just find that there's power in simplicity. Challenging societal norms. How looking poor can challenge societal expectations. Looking poor can be a powerful statement against the relentless materialism that often defines our society. When we step away from the pressure to conform to expensive trends and flashy lifestyles, we liberate ourselves from the chains of consumerism. This freedom allows us to focus on what truly matters, our passions, relationships, and personal growth, rather than the superficial markers of success. Moreover, embracing a less polished appearance encourages authenticity and self-acceptance. It sends a message that our worth isn't tied to our possessions or outward appearances. By rejecting societal expectations, we create space for genuine connections and conversations that matter. This shift in perspective also opens the door to important discussions about wealth inequality and its implications. When we challenge the notion that success is synonymous with wealth, we can address the systemic issues that perpetuate inequality. By looking poor, we not only redefine our own identities but also inspire others to question societal norms. So, let's dive deeper into how this seemingly simple choice can spark meaningful change in our lives and communities. Fostering empathy. How looking poor can foster empathy in individuals. When we look beyond appearances, we begin to understand the profound connection between how someone looks and the struggles they may face. Looking poor can serve as a powerful reminder that everyone has their own battles, often hidden beneath the surface. This realization fosters empathy, allowing us to connect with others on a deeper level. By embracing a less affluent appearance, we invite conversations about diverse life experiences. It encourages us to appreciate the stories behind each individual, recognizing that financial struggles can affect anyone, regardless of their background. This understanding can break down barriers and create a more compassionate society. Moreover, fostering empathy through this lens promotes kindness and support for those in need. When we acknowledge the challenges faced by others, we're more likely to lend a helping hand or offer a listening ear. This shift in perspective not only enriches our own lives, but also cultivates a culture of care and understanding. So, let's explore how looking poor can inspire us to be more empathetic and supportive, ultimately making the world a better place for everyone. Encouraging minimalism. Exploring the benefits of adopting a minimalist lifestyle. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle can be a transformative journey, offering a multitude of benefits that go beyond just decluttering your space. One of the most significant advantages is the mental clarity that comes from reducing clutter. When our environments are free from excess, we create a serene atmosphere that allows us to think more clearly and focus on what truly matters in our lives. Additionally, minimalism often leads to substantial financial savings. By prioritizing needs over wants, we can cut down on unnecessary expenses, freeing up resources for experiences that enrich our lives. This shift not only alleviates financial stress, but also encourages a more intentional approach to spending. Moreover, minimalism invites us to focus on experiences rather than possessions. Instead of accumulating items that may bring temporary joy, we can invest in memories, traveling, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies that ignite our passions. This emphasis on experiences fosters deeper connections and a more fulfilling life. So, Let's dive into how embracing minimalism can lead to a clearer mind, a healthier wallet, and a richer life filled with meaningful moments. Building resilience. How looking poor can build personal resilience. Looking poor can often be a catalyst for building personal resilience, as many individuals have shown us through their inspiring stories. Take, for example, those who have faced financial hardships yet emerged stronger and more determined. These stories remind us that adversity can be a powerful teacher, shaping our character and fortifying our resolve. When we embrace challenges, we learn to adapt and grow. Viewing adversity as an opportunity for growth allows us to cultivate resilience, transforming obstacles into stepping stones toward success. Each struggle faced can become a lesson learned, equipping us with the tools to navigate future difficulties. Moreover, there's incredible strength in vulnerability. When we acknowledge our struggles and share our experiences, we not only empower ourselves but also inspire others to do the same. This openness fosters a sense of community and connection, reminding us that we're not alone in our journeys. So let's explore how looking poor can serve as a foundation for resilience, encouraging us to embrace our challenges and emerge stronger, more compassionate individuals, ready to face whatever life throws our way. Conclusion. Summarizing the importance of challenging norms and fostering empathy. As we wrap up our exploration of why looking poor is important, let's reflect on the key points we've discussed. We've highlighted how challenging societal norms can free us from materialistic pressures, encouraging authenticity and self-acceptance. By embracing a less polished appearance, we foster empathy, allowing us to connect with others and appreciate their diverse life experiences. We also touched on the benefits of adopting a minimalist lifestyle, which can lead to mental clarity, financial savings, and a focus on meaningful experiences over possessions. Additionally, we explored how looking poor can build personal resilience, showcasing the strength that comes from vulnerability and the growth that arises from adversity. Now, we invite you to reflect on your own perceptions of wealth and how they shape your interactions with others. Are there ways you can challenge these norms in your life? If you found this discussion thought-provoking, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Your support helps us create more content that inspires and encourages meaningful conversations. Thank you for joining us on this journey.